How does my mom do it? I haven't made my mom's chicken and dumplings recipe in over 2.5 years because it's a ton of work and so time consuming. I mean, you could shortcut a bunch of things like using diced frozen chicken and a few bags of frozen mirepoix, but it just wouldn't be the same thing as doing it all yourself. So after hand shredding a whole rotisserie chicken and chopping up all the carrots, celery, and onions, add all the veggies to a stock pot with a heaping spoon of chicken flavored better than bouillon, a bunch of salt, pepper, and garlic, and 3 liters of water. Fun fact for my American friends, 1 liter is equal to 2 regular-sized bottles of water. I covered that and let it come up to a boil while I made the dumplings from scratch. I won't bore you with the process because visually it's pretty dull. Once those were done, I added all the chicken and the skin plus the dumplings to the pot and brought it up to a boil and then let it simmer for about 90 minutes until the dumplings were cooked through. And for the final step, I added a little cornstarch slurry to help thicken everything up. Where I got lazy, though, was serving it up over instant garlic mashed potatoes and pre-made Red Lobster cheddar biscuits. 3+ hours later, though, it was absolutely worth it.